Hi everyone, this video is going to cover Chapter 11, Training, Upgrading, and Certifications. So for week 12 and 13, you are going to research on becoming VA certified and then possibly what other training certifications you may want to achieve to help your business. And we're also going to talk about joining VA groups to help you network. So to start out, as always, in the materials folder, um, I put a lot of links in here this week. So I'm going to go back out for a minute and I'm going to go to the assignments folder and I want to show you the textbook. So our book, if in a couple of ways, is a little outdated because it contains a lot of links and sometimes those links go bad, people take their businesses down, etc. So what I did is I went through and I removed all of the bad links. So there are two missing pages and then I whited out some items. So this chapter has some good information in it on talking about, so for you guys, you're getting your Associate of Applied Business and Administrative Office Professional virtual um, office degree, okay? So that in itself is already going to set you apart a great deal from a lot of other VAs who didn't go to schooling for this type of job. So just like if you were a traditional administrative assistant who wanted to work in an office, there are lots of certifications that we can take to kind of set us apart, whether it be a Microsoft certification, a certification through IAAP, ASAP, something along those lines. So you, being a virtual assistant, also have those same features available to you. So as you go down through this chapter, it has a lot of different websites and businesses and organizations and groups that you can review to see if you want to become certified in something else. And I provide notes throughout the book. VA Career or Virtual Assistant in a Box is a big one. They have really good information on their website. And then AssistU, that's a good website. I also provided that in the materials folder. And then the VA Insider Club, VA Networking, and then I removed page 98 because the whole page was previous to this and I removed that. VA Certified, this is a really great organization if you want to become VA certified. So you can research that and do a little bit more reading on this. I also removed page 101 if you're keeping track of the page numbers at the bottom. Another one, this still follows along with AssistU. And then IVAA.org is International Virtual Assistant Association. This one's really good. I pull information from here quite often to kind of check to see what's happening in the VA world. So back to the materials folder. So a lot of these links that are in here, again, are in your textbook, but there are a lot of links in here that are not in your textbook. So like VA Pro Magazine, VA Insiders, Office Skills, Association of Virtual Assistants. So lots of great organizations, even companies that just offer free advice. That actually is their virtual assisting business. They are a virtual assistant and they offer help to other virtual assistants. 6 virtual assistant training courses. So 3, 4, 5, and 6 are really good. And then I put the link in here to the Microsoft Office Specialist exam. Because while you are a virtual assistant, you still need to be very proficient in using Microsoft, along with Google and a lot of other technologies. But probably most of what you're going to use to keep track of maybe profits in the beginning instead of spending a lot of money on QuickBooks or a different software that might cost a lot of money. So becoming certified in some of the Microsoft softwares is not a bad idea. So I kind of gave you all the links so you can look at that. And then I took the rest of the links and I put them in a social media VA group along with other tools that you might want to know how to use. So I'm a part of a couple of VA Facebook groups and I've seen through some of the items you've already turned in through other chapters. Some of you are as well. But there's a lot of groups you might not know about. And guys, keep in mind, there's no way I can find and include all of them. But here are 2 Facebook groups. The second one are 47 of the best Facebook groups to join for freelancers and virtual assistants. programs you should know as a virtual assistant, and then 26 virtual assistant software tools. And then here's another Facebook group. She also has her own website. She's actually pretty funny. She injects a lot of humor into her VA YouTube videos and things like that. So for this week, kind of review the chapter. I think you might get a little bit more out of using the links that I provided this week, but still, there's still some good explanations in the chapter. So after you've done all that research and reading, you are going to complete 2 assignments for this week. You're going to focus on virtual assisting groups, and then you're going to focus on virtual assisting certification and training. So for this first assignment, you are going to select 3 groups and or organizations you would like to join or subscribe to. Now, keep in mind, just because you're doing this assignment doesn't mean you must commit to paying the money or even signing up if they're free. This is just to get you to be aware of what's out there. Your business is only going to survive by marketing, networking, word of mouth, advertising. All of those things are going to play a big role in you being successful. So after you've reviewed all of the links and your textbook, you are going to answer these 6 questions for each group. Okay, so please do not chunk this all in one giant paragraph. Use your best professional judgment on how it's going to be. Maybe you list the name of the organization or group at the top, and then you answer the 6 questions, and then you repeat that process for the other 2. So I tell you here, format the information professionally, have a table or another easily readable layout for each item. Do not talk about all 3 in one paragraph. So you're going to list the name of the group and organization and provide their link. What are they known for, or like what is their specialty? Is there a cost to join? If so, what is it? What are some of the items that made you want to join or subscribe to this organization or group? How do you think this group could help you as a VA? And provide any other information you would like to tell me about this group or organization. So then you're going to format it and you'll upload it to this box when you're done. And then the last assignment for this week would be virtual assisting certification and training. Okay. So we already know, like I mentioned, your two-year degree is going to set you apart, your virtual office professional degree. But just like with traditional administrative assistants, you need to keep in mind things that you want to stay on top of: training, software, technology, and just general certifications in certain areas. Okay, so after reviewing all of the materials, you need to list 3 certifications, training courses, topics, or software that you may be interested in completing and or learning more about. You may also provide your own topics if you already know of some, like from the links that I didn't provide. The following information again has to be answered for all 3 certifications, training courses, topics, software, etc. The same rules apply from the top assignment. And there's only 4 questions for this one. What are other certifications, training courses, and or topics you would like to complete or learn more about? List the name and provide the website. How do you think the certification, training course, topic, etc. will help you with your VA career or your business? Is there a cost associated with the option you chose, and provide any other information about the item that you chose. And then when you're done formatting it, you can upload it to here. So guys, if you have any questions as you're working on this, or maybe there's a really cool Facebook group or organization that I didn't list in here that you want your other classmates to be aware of, just send me an email and I'll be happy to post it in the link, in the materials folder with the rest of the links to let everybody know about it. And again, always reach out if you have questions.